Jai Shri Ram, Baba Ji.
Jai Shri Ram.
Where's Anita?
She's coming. She's making tea.
I thought you did something. She said, I'm not sitting with you, I sit behind you.
No, she's making tea.
Ah. No more smoothie?
Smoothie in the evening.
Raghu, if you are on the full screen, how will you see Nalini Raja? After certain age, ऐसा हो जाता, right? Look at Senthil. He made sure there's an equal space for them to sit. अभी रघु हेयर स्टाइल नहीं कर सकता ना? हाँ.
COVID attack.
चलो पुत्र, please. Sorry, बच्चे, it was little got delayed today because of lot of things happening. So, before I go further, Putra, with everything, I have a question for all of you there on screen. Is that do you guys really practice Om every day? Senthil?
Yes, not every day. Whenever I am reminded of it, I do.
Who reminds you?
When I think, like when I'm, alone driving or something, when I think about it, I do it.
No, I will talk about it today. Fine. We have to understand one thing, is that we are very short of time. Okay. So when we are very short of time, what is that? पुत्र ये कप मत लेना चाय के लिए, नहीं, वहां पे बहुत सारे कप्स पड़े हैं, ग्लास है, सब कुछ है. पुत्र, why we have cups and glasses? So Putra, the question comes here is that means the importance of being in a human body is still not understood. What does it mean is that we still believe we are humans, we are limited. This is what I can do, this is what I cannot do, this is what I won't do. As you said, Mera Bacha, you said whenever you think of when you're traveling, it comes to you, but that is not the time for it. That is kind of for just being aware of your thought while you're traveling. You don't indulge yourself in any other thought process. To be careful on that. So that is something which is to be away from thought process. But when it comes to chanting on a regular basis with a deeper thought, means I want to get connected. I want to build my patience. I want to build my insight, right? So for that, you need supposedly, Senthil Mera Bacha, while you're going to work, can you do any workplace while driving?
No.
Why?
You have to focus on the driving part.
Right. And then you can only think of planning what to do. So it is not a dedicated time of work, it is just a planning aspect of. So similarly, while driving you cannot do your work except maximum of phone call. It is similarly, you'll have to be very dedicated time, but I will come to this. Putra, can everybody join us, Putra, faster? We're going to do an exercise today, Raja. Thank you, sir. Thank you. अब 2 हफ्ते बाद बंदा देगा तो लेना ही पड़ेगा, राइट?
आपके अंकल परफेक्ट बन गए.
So the exercise is, Putra, that I want all of you काले काले एक्सरसाइज करनी है। देख कुलवंत को देख, फटाफट काले के नाम पे ना फट डुबोया उसने। दीना मैन, आई नीड यू। Baba is looking so handsome today. Oh. We had a fight in the morning twice, and now look at it. There's a super handsome. तो बैठ जाओ पुत्र, अब आप प्लीज दया करो मेरे पे। आप रख दे, हम कर लेंगे। आप यही बीच में बैठ जाओ ना, घूम के देते रहना सबको, बैठ जाओ। All of you need to hold your breath for as long as you can. Okay, let's hold the breath first. So I'm going to count everybody to be ready. So 1, 2, 3, start. अपनी सांस रोकनी है सबने। Don't push yourself as much as long as you can. It's okay, no push. As long as you can, comfortably. That's okay. Okay, great. Just waiting one more person to respond and then we'll start. Seventh is my small tea. Huh? नलिनी को बोलो चाय दो, इतने से कप में मेरे को चाय देके बोलती खत्म हो गई। So coming back to it, हाँ क्या? यहाँ देते कान पान दूंगा। खाने पीने के अलावा कुछ ध्यान नहीं आता। We cannot hold our breath not more than 2 minutes. All of nobody can do. Nobody even touch 2 minutes. आप अपनी सांस, you cannot even hold your breath for 2 minutes. You need a fresh air to build in. And how come you cannot let your bad thoughts go away? Your organs, your body needs fresh air to live. Is it not? So regularly, constantly, you need fresh air. What does it mean? No matter what, knowingly, unknowingly, you need fresh oxygen in your body. Why don't you need fresh thought in your body? Why don't you let go things which is not unwanted for you? Why are you trying to win a war? Even after winning, you're a loser. You have an argument with somebody for whatever reason, and you know rightfully you're right, right? You know you're right. You won that war. What after that? Both only Anita and Nalini are saying yes, as if they both do the regular same thing. Only. Neither Santil moved, neither Raghu moved. Both of them, yeah. Think of it, mera bacha. If your organs needs fresh air every day, regular, every split second, you have to breathe. आपको सांस लेना ही है, फ्रेश सांस लेना है और दूसरी निकालनी है। अगर ये रोटेट कर सकते हो, तो क्या ये समझ में नहीं आता कि परमात्मा ने, भगवान ने, God has already planted a system in your body. Don't keep unwanted things. Even the leftover food doesn't stay in the body. If that stays in the body, you're done. Is it not? Your first thing in the morning is release the waste. So whatever you have done yesterday, it has to go out of your body. Why can't other things which are not wanted can be gone? What for? I said that. I told you. I know. Alright? Even if you win that, what will happen? It is better to lose. Why? If you lose, chances are you're not losing a friend. Chances are you're not bringing any kind of a thoughts which is not going to help you. Chances are you will not lose your peace. Even after winning, you will lose your peace. By losing, you may not lose it. अगर आप हार जाते हो तो आपकी शांति नहीं जाएगी, जीतने के बाद शांति चली जाएगी. क्या नरनी? मैं बोल रही हूं ना, आपको बोल रही थी. बाबा जी ने ऐसे बोला था, अरे भैया जीतने के बाद भी क्या होगा? What maximum will happen? You're creating a disturbance in your family. You're just creating a disturbance in your relationship. हमें सांस नहीं रोक सकते, हम बॉडी में वेस्ट नहीं रोक सकते, ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन नहीं रोक सकते. The moment we eat something which is not right, done, causes trouble. अगर बदल सकते हो, if you can change the system of your thought process. Be more aware that we are on a short journey. It may look another 20 years, 30 years. That's irrelevant. Trust me, it is irrelevant. Even 20 years, then you think you know what you are going to happen in 20 years. You have no idea. You may be planning anything. The time is now. It is this moment. If you have not tasted the honey now, do you think you'll be able to taste it later? Honey means him. Will you ever get an opportunity? You don't know. Huh? Cookie uncle? Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So, when you did Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, all that period of time, your whole body, your brain, your activation of all these cells in your brain got so super active that they could not do anything else just to gel with that vibration. What is important then? Now, as we talk about medical science being so progressive, right? All of us talk about, today we have this treatment, we have that treatment, this. Has any medical science ever found out where your chakras are in your spinal part? Has anybody defined that to you? Has anybody able to tell you that these chakra to this chakra, put a string like this, we'll do a surgery and trying it? Then there's nobody to find him. You have to find yourself. If you're not willing to find yourself, nobody else can help you with this. Nobody. When we die, when we leave this body only gets burned, not the neighbor's body. This body gets burned, right? So that means there's something related to myself. Why are we not able to think what is the most precious thing in our life? What is the most precious thing in your life? अगर सांसें भी देनी है, खाया भी देना है, why can't we make a journey? देना ही है. Tera, 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 tera. Everything is yours, 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 yours. There's nothing which is mine, me. It is you and yours. We need to wake up from a daily call of understanding. We need to put an extra effort in our schedule to get connected. We have to put an extra effort. Are you, I just heard a child is on vacation, somebody is going on, which is fine, you should. You must go with your family, friend on a leisure trip, you must go. Not that it is anything. The reason you need to go is so that you have a change of thought, change of place, because on a regular routine, you're not understanding it. But once you go out, you will realize you feel like I want to meditate here because it's very peaceful. Peaceful is your home also, but you don't look at that way. I really want a change in my life. Okay, go. But change is going to be what? Not the place, your brain, your activation of thoughts. That will change. Only that changes. I like it. I love this. Okay, beautiful. But who's saying this? Somebody inside? When you meet your family, friends, you go, make them come along with you. When you go on vacation, let everybody align with you. That's the beauty of vacation. Do something which will help everybody. And what's the best way to start that? Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayana. 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 Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo
Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana.
Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om
Narayana. Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. पूर्ण पुरुष नारायण है. पूर्ण पुरुष. What is very important, Raj, very, very important is that allowing any thought to come. Like right now, if I feel I want to have a sip of tea, I had a cup of sip of tea, right? I would like to take a cookie. What is happening? Who's giving that part? Who's bringing this in? Who's telling you just time to take a sip? Sip la lo, cha la lo. Who? कौन बोल रहा है ये? कौन है ये? Where is he? Just think, मेरा बच्चा. Think very carefully. It is up to me. It is up to us. What do we choose to have? There's nobody. Nobody. If I allow all the thoughts to come, what happens by the evening? Totally drained, right? No. We are not tired because we are physically get tired. We get tired because our brain gives up then. It tells me, I'm tired, I'm done. The soul is not tired. The soul never got a food. The soul never enjoyed that. And the moment you tell the soul, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
बाबा जी मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है।
एक क्वेश्चन आने दो, एक क्वेश्चन आने दो।
बाबा जी जैसे आपने बोला है कि हम करेक्ट होने के बावजूद भी है ना मैंने फैमिली अपने लेकिन है ना हम लोग जब काम ऑफिस में जाते हैं तो अलग अलग तरह के लोग होते हैं। गलती ना होने से फॉर एग्जांपल एक कहना कोई ट्रेनिंग दे रहा है और ठीक से सिखा रहा नहीं है तभी भी कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है लेकिन अपने आप ही सब कुछ पढ़कर सब कुछ करने के बाद तुमने ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया जो हमें पता नहीं उन्होंने भी बताया नहीं है तो उनसे बहुत वक्त तक है ना टॉलरेट कर कर बाद में उनसे ही मैंने उनसे बता दिया कि आपने ऐसे नहीं किया क्योंकि बार बार है ना ह्यूमिलेट करने के वक्त बताते हैं ना कि ऐसे आप ही ने नहीं बताया इसलिए नहीं हुआ है तो रेस्पेक्ट देकर तो उस वक्त भी है ना वॉइस नहीं रेज नहीं करने का बाबा जी मैंने टॉलरेट करना है क्या?
Okay, let's understand clearly. When it comes to your job, your business, there are some professional decorum of a profile. You're maintaining a home garden and you're maintaining a nursery. They're two different things. They're both beautiful part, but that has a motive of business to grow, right? That has a motive for you to flourish and make something out of it. You cannot club the two.
Yes.
So, something professionally is not right, it is bound to say. But you never said, I don't know. And when it comes to relationship, I'm talking about your friendship, your family, neighbors, even offline colleagues. Doesn't have to be on the work time, but off time.
लेकिन करने के बाद भी ना सिचुएशन बेटर नहीं हो रहा है तो बेटर टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम दैट, राइट बाबा जी?
Think,
मैंने
okay, professional atmosphere, if you, that is happening, then draft an email, send an email, CC to the HR that this is what I've been told all the time, but this is what I was never given. This is what the training has been given to me. This is never given to me. I did my study in education to bring it up. In spite of asking me, do you need another help? Instead of asking me, what can I do to improvise you? Instead of telling me, is there anything else I can do for you? You're abusing me for no reason. Within the family भी क्या होता है? यही होता है ना, कितनी बार ये बोला तेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसे करते हैं क्या? अरे भाई, ओके, डन, ऐसे कर लो, ठीक हो जाएगा। तो बोल भी दिया, उसके बाद ही रास्ता दिखा दो। क्या राकेश? कई लोग तो करते ही नहीं कुछ, बस बोल के भाग जाते हैं। बोलने का नहीं पता लगता उनको, तो आपसे भी आना होता है। जनरल, आप क्यों डर रहे हो? मार तो नहीं रहा आपको मैं, ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ। गुस्सा आता है ना, हम शहंशाह होते हैं, जो सामने आया उसकी। When we are in an angry mood, then we don't spare anybody, right? Then left, right, and center. Huh? We forget. No matter how the water is boiling, it has to calm down. It has to calm down. You cannot take shower with the boiling water. You need a neutralized temperature to shower also. ये तो जल जाएंगे. You get burnt. You will never ever take shower. So relationship is also the same way. You cannot pour hot milk, water on anybody. You will burn the relationship. Chai, chai. One thing, if you understand, everything will be sorted out. And Baba started this every Sunday now here because we don't get that much time, so I did not do online. Probably the moment Aarti completes, all the children start to do Om. Okay. I come to Baba's intensity. Om can be 15 minutes, Om can be 20 minutes, depending on him. Depends how it goes. The alignment of Om only means one thing for Baba, just one thing for Baba. For him, it is connect to yourself, nobody else. To your own self only. You are the universe, and universe is part of. You're not outside, neither universe is out of you. You just need to find out. Just need to. Not while driving. Huh, Senthil? Not while driving. You can only enjoy a coffee or a roll while driving. You cannot enjoy a idli or dosa with the chutney and sambar. You have to sit and eat. If you have to enjoy your meal, you have to sit and eat. Whether in a restaurant, whether at home, you cannot do it while driving. So if you cannot do that while driving, why do we play with him? मैं बाजी को लगा देना, फिर छोड़ना ना सारा. A lot of children I have. Now the moment I take, I start it on and then no, I start. Tap, bindi nahi hai. Tap is not a lady finger, you can cut anytime. You need to be having that time of dedication and commitment to sit and do it. You must be hungry for it. If you're not hungry, you're not getting it. Right? First step. I have a child, I've changed the name. Child's name is now First Step. Let me see how much that child was going to do it. निशी पुत्र online. हाँ पुत्र, I didn't hear anything from you.
I'm listening.
Oh, okay. Okay. What is important now? Ranbir, what's important? डंडा लेवल पीछे पड़ा ये कोने में पड़ा डंडा ले आज तो फान दूंगा मैं नहीं राजा मैंने पहले सुबह कहा था आज नहीं छोड़ूंगा आई एम नॉट स्पेयरिंग नोबडी उत्तर आत्मा को जब तक परमात्मा से मिला के परमात्म तत्व नहीं हो जाते जितने संत महापुरुष आए हैं वो पागल थोड़ी ना धरती पे किस लिए आए थैंक यू तो पास भी है ना मेरे
मैं सबसे पास हूं आपके
क्या करना है
भाई नानी मतलब अपना
अपने क्रोध को जीरो करना है पहले तो क्या करना है और अपनी सोच को क्या करना है अब बदल के क्या करना है थॉट्स दीना बहन लुक एट right Dina Bell knew it will come work on your thoughts only keep inside which will help your organs rest is simple as this remember this always I'm only going to inhale which will help me to keep fresh thoughts. Keep me alive. खुद जियो औरों को भी जीने दो यही तो है जिंदगी का रास्ता तुम्हें अमन की शांति का वास्ता live and let live for the peace and happiness of all. You know, moment we have an illusion problem, ना? अब से राकेश है, मेरी बीवी है, मेरे बच्चे हैं, ये है, वो है, क्या लंबी लिस्ट है ना? It was such a long list. Who am I? Who's Rakesh? Identity of a body, right? Not more than that. The body has name Rakesh. But what is beyond Rakesh? Kulwant? Sridhar na Kulwant hai na. Kulwant ke piche kaun hai? Das de kurdanga. Kulwant ke piche kaun hai? Paramatma. Te labna kinu hai? Kulwant nu Paramatma nu? So what need to find is Senthil is that the name of the body is Senthil. But is Senthil God? Or just we need to go beyond to find that? Right? We need to go beyond to find that. Carrying all the thoughts of the world is not going to help. What is going to help? What's going to help? Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai.
Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai.
Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, sai. Sai, 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 sai. 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 साई 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 चढ़ गई है पुत्र. I was just thinking, as we were chanting, what came up? While chanting came up, we can't even chant without fresh oxygen. To keep going also into we need fresh. Let the other things go. It's not beautiful. Is it not? खाले बेट लगा रहा तू. मेरा पूरा ध्यान, I'm focused is this side. So I had finished a box of cookies. This is the last one, right? There's a very old song. राकेश बोल रहा है बहुत टाइम हो गया आपने गाना नहीं सुनाया. Beautiful song. तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ, ये दुनिया में आके फिर न कुछ चाह सनम तुमको चाह के. तो उसको जस्ट बाहर जाना और कुछ नहीं है. जाऊं कहाँ तुम बिन, जाऊं कहाँ के दुनिया में आके फिर न कुछ चाह सनम तुमको चाह के. अभी है मक्खन मत मार सारे, कुकी खत्म कर दी, मक्खन मार रहा. What does it mean, Raja? Since I came to the earth, I have not loved anybody else. I've only loved you. And once I started loving you, I didn't love anything else. Everything else was gone. You can turn around any song towards him. Any song. Senthil, you might have old memories, right? Song memories. Don't take it otherwise, Raja. You can always turn it around to him. What it means is that if you're trying to find love, you can find it anything. That is simply it means. You don't have to have, express in any other form. You can pick up anything, Raja. Anything. Because that is the only way to help all of us. क्या सोच रहा राकेश? भूली हुई यादें मुझे इतना ना सताओ. Rakesh went into thought, Raja. So let's go this book. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka
समस्ता
sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino
भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो
सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु. ये सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईं
सोमनाथ महाराज की जय.
से मेरा बच्चा say. Puत्र, please try from today. Work on the thoughts. Please take your time to see. I am not a body. I am something beyond. I need to find that out. That's all. Sai Mera Bachcha.